Viitorul e al tău, noi punem temelia. UTCB, construim pentru România. UTCB, Universitatea de Construcții București.
And I'd like to emphasize a statement from Mr. Ambassador. The projects with Japan are projects with the foot on the ground. So they are really real projects. It's not about talking and tackling issues. No, it's about doing. And this I very much appreciate. This is why I said that ranking the cooperation, Japan is number one. And now I would like to invite you, His Excellency, Mr. Takashi Katae, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Japan in Romania, to have some words for us.
Okay. So, Rector Professor Bacarianu, State Secretary Chobel, Secretary General Ms. Yoneta, Ambassador Laitsky and Ambassador Dranga, and Professor Akiyama. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to participate in this second edition of Japan-Romania workshop on road bridge maintenance. Following the success of last year's Japan-Romania workshop on seismic rehabilitation and maintenance of buildings and bridges. I understand that today's workshop is focused on preventive maintenance in the infrastructure sector within the framework of the Strategic Innovation Promotion Projects, SIP, of the Japanese Cabinet Office. I'm grateful to MILT Japan, the SIP team of the Cabinet Office, Osaki Research Institute, ISS Corporation, and IHI Corporation from Japan, and the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure, the Ministry of Development, Public Works and Public Administration, and the University of Civil Engineering of Bucharest from Romania for bringing together all the participants to organize this workshop. I have learned that preventive maintenance in the infrastructure field tackles the problems of finding more efficient human budget allocation in order to maintain and manage aging infrastructure with fewer human and financial resources. In Japan, there was a large-scale cave-in accident on a road just very recently, and the search for the missing person is still facing difficulty. The maintenance and management of infrastructure, which could easily lead to fatal accident, is an issue that the government should prioritize. In Japan, local governments across the country, which are responsible for the most existing infrastructure structures and currently individually maintaining and managing a huge number of aging infrastructures under strict budget constraints. From this viewpoint, initiatives that enable comprehensive, systematic, and efficient management of infrastructure at the regional levels instead of the local level should be promoted. I hope that the Cabinet Office's SIP program management regional infrastructure groups through evidence-based policy making in the infrastructure field will be useful in Romania, and that Japanese know-hows such as earthquake-resistant technology will be of particular useful. Furthermore, I heard that the meeting was held yesterday at the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure, as the Secretary General mentioned, to report on the result of a year-long project to draw up a plan for repairing and maintaining road bridges, which was initiated by the MILT of Japan and IHI after last year's workshop. The Embassy of Japan will continue to support such collaboration project between Japan and Romania that strengthen the strategic partnership between our countries. The economic relationship between Japan and Romania continues to deepen and widen, especially in the fields of infrastructure, IT, and energy. In the infrastructure sector, IHI completed the construction of the Breda Bridge in 2023, and the construction of the Bucharest International Airport Access Link project, known as M6, has begun, which is last Japanese ODA yen loan project in Romania. In addition, a delegation with the theme of infrastructure, etc., from the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry is currently planning, and it is expected to visit Romania during June this year. In the IT and energy fields, the second edition of Japan-Romania Innovation Forum was held in Tokyo in June last year, while the first edition of the Japan-Romania Energy Forum was organized in Bucharest in November. This year, the second Japan-Romania Energy Forum is planned to be held in Tokyo in September, and the third Japan-Romania Innovation Forum is discussed to be organized in Yashi in autumn. I really hope that cooperation between the two countries in these fields will be further deepened. Also, this year marks the Osaka Kansai Expo 2025, which will be held in Osaka between April 13th and October 13th. This expo will be the first such kind to take place after the COVID pandemic, and at the time when the world is becoming more inwardly focused due to the conflict and the division, it will be a great opportunity for people from all over the world to participate and think about the theme of designing future society for our lives. And it is also a great chance for promoting the UN Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, and it will lead to new business opportunities for the participating countries and Japanese companies. Romania is currently building its own pavilion. And the Expo is a great chance of Romania to promote itself to not only Japanese people, but also people from all over the world. And I strongly believe that Romania will make the most of this opportunity. While making the most of these occasions, I and the embassy will continue to work on developing and deepening Japan-Romania relations based on the bilateral strategic partnership. Thank you very much. Vă mulțumesc.
Thank you so much.
UTCB, viitorul e al tău, noi punem temelia. UTCB.